In a world where cybersecurity is more crucial than ever, we bring you the ultimate device for ethical hackers and cybersecurity enthusiasts. ViP3R HUNTER. We take pre-owned devices and transform them into powerful hacking machines, loaded with custom ROMs, optimized kernels, and pre-configured for Kali NetHunter. Each device is engineered for performance, security, and stealth, giving you the edge in penetration testing, forensics, and network security assessments. Beyond the tech, we redefine aesthetics, cyberpunk, matrix, and darknet-inspired skins to match your digital warrior spirit. Whether you're an ethical hacker, security researcher, or just passionate about cybersecurity, ViP3R HUNTER is built for you. Join the revolution. Get your cybersecurity-ready device today. ViP3R HUNTER, because security starts with the right tools.